Today's topic of discussion is where clause. So first thing first, why do we need where clause? So there's a lot of data in particular table and we need to get only a filtered data. So in order to have that filtered data coming from that table, we have to use the where clause. So general syntax of the where clause is written over here, which I am highlighting right now. Like other, it's usually a simple select statement, or after that there is a where clause, and in the where clause you need to give different kind of conditions with the help of different predicates. So what kind of predicates can we use in the where clause? I have listed them here as well, which is actually equals to sign, not equal to sign, and in some versions of SQL this operator may be written as uh, sign of exclamation and equals to, which is I am highlighting over here. Right, and then there's a greater sign, then sign, less than sign, greater than equal to sign, less than equal to sign, between, like, and in operator. Uh, so let's start with a simple example. Here I have a table of employee, and when I execute the statement, I get whole lot of information coming from this table. So if I say that I only need only one row based on a based on the data coming from only one column, I will use where clause. This is a very simple example where I am actually giving, which I have written the predicate over here with respect to column 1, which is business entity ID, and I am just giving 1 over here. So what does this where clause statement means? It means like select all the data coming from human resource.employee table where business entity ID should contain only the value which is equal to 1. So I am expecting only one row if there is only one uh, type of data on where this, oh, sorry, if there's only one row containing this one as its value. So when I will select this statement, see, I'm getting only one row. So that's it. This is my first session about the where clause, and in coming sessions I'm going to discuss more about where clause and its usefulness. Thank you very much.